Lena stood in the hallway. It smelled like smoke, but everything was untouched. Lights flickered above her, like a warning, like the place no, she did not belong. She walked slowly, heart pounding, toward apartment 3B, Ellie's home. But the number on the door was not 3B. It was her apartment, number 204. She reached for the handle. Jonah, voice in her head. Don't open it. Lena, why? Jonah, that's where it's all end. She opened it anyway. Inside was darkness, thick, heavy, like the old ended it in that room. Then footsteps. A small boy stood near the window. Red scarf, pale skin, Halo's eyes. He turned to her. Boy, I waited. You promised. Lena's voice broke. Who are you? He looked at her like it should have been obvious. Boy, you said you did come back, Lena. Behind him, the room began to burn. Flames curled up the walls but made no sound. The boy did not move, just stared. Boy, I kept the fire waiting just like you asked. Lena screamed his name but did not know what it was then. She blinked, back in her room, alone. Candle out, smoke in the room. A message waited on her phone. Ellie, you opened it? Jonah, you were not supposed to. Unknown. Now it's remember use.